In this video, I'm going to show you the exact framework what we use to scale our Google agency partners to 100K plus a month in revenue and how you can do exactly the same for your e-commerce store. My name is Robin, I have 5 years of e-commerce knowledge and I'm going to break down the exact framework in this video. First of all, this is the opportunity what we are looking at. Here are 3 screenshots from the last month, September, October and November. And as you can see the green line, the conversion value is pretty stable with a return on investment of 3. Google is pretty known for their stable cash flow, and these are perfect examples as you can see for the results we were able to get for one of the partners. And I'm going to show you in the video exactly how you can do the same. So this is the Google Ads framework, what we apply for our partners and what you can copy for your own e-commerce store as well to book the same results as the previous screenshot. First of all, you start with cold traffic campaigns, which contains Google search campaigns, shopping campaigns, and optionally YouTube and display campaigns. You see the first photo on the right side, that is a search campaign. So second of all, you want to make campaigns for warm traffic, which consists of your own brand name from your own website. You can implement the competition brand name, so you can steal traffic from them and make them convert on your website. And third of all, you also can implement remarketing campaigns, so the visitors that have visited your website can see your ads again. The third one is the repeat buyers. You can make special sales campaigns targeting, for example, Black Friday, Cyber Monday or Christmas. And that's pretty useful because in this way you can advertise with special discounts if you have them on your store. So this is the current framework what we use for our partners and how you can implement the same. So what is the plan of action, right? You just saw the types of campaigns what we are going to create and how you can do exactly this for your website. So first of all, in step 1, you start to create 2 campaigns. One campaign to advertise all your products for a shopping campaign, and the second campaign is for the best-selling products, right? If you already have some proof of concept with few of your products, you can implement them in the second campaign and see if you can make more profit than compared to the all products, because that one is going to take longer because there are simply more products in that campaign, right? So the second step you're going to create is campaign 3 and 4. The third one is to implement a search campaign for your own brand name. So if you already run Facebook ads, for example, or TikTok ads, you capture the people that are searching for your brand name on the first position in the Google ads. And the fourth campaign is you can implement the names of your competition, like 3 or 5, for example, with a search campaign. So you can easily show your ads if people are looking for their website. So if they sell in the similar kind of niche, you can make their visitors convert on your website. So step 3 is to analyze and scale these ones. So first, of course, you need to see what is working, optimize if they are not working, and scale for the campaigns that are profitable in the first place. So step 4 is to select the winning products and scale them horizontally with more campaigns and higher budget. So what do I mean by that? If you find good products in campaign 1 and 2 for the all products, you can simply make separate campaigns for them and put more budget on them. So you scale horizontally and vertical here. So you can simply repeat this process if you add new products to your website for, let's say, if the seasons change, right? So this is the preparation you need to take to prepare your e-commerce website for Google Ads. First of all, you connect Shopify and Google Analytics, and then you make your website approved by the Google Merchant Center and your products. If all of these elements are in place, you connect them to the Google Ads and you start creating the campaigns what I just explained. So what are the benefits for Google Ads for you? So this means that you are able to get more stable results compared to another social media platform, for example. So you have less fluctuations, as I already showed in the screenshots before. You can focus simply more on building a team and systems because you can do less on media buying. You have more profit to invest in yourself or in your business because the people on Google Ads are simply looking for your product already. You can also grow your brand value because you have more sales and more data in the pocket. Let's say if you're ready for an exit strategy. So these are the benefits you have from running Google Ads. So if you need help with scaling your website on Google Ads, feel free to reach out to me with the link in the description. My name is Robin, I have 5 years of e-commerce knowledge and I'm here to help you reach the next level with Google Ads. I see you in the next video. Ciao!